Hey Vape fam, Dan the Man here. We're gonna do a review today, a little bitty review. See, I'm changing up my format, if you will, just a little bit just because. Let's see if it works. We're gonna be looking at the Orca Solo. Now, am I wrong in saying that? Did you guys just hear that ghost? I'll be right back. Okay. That was the first time the ghost ever wailed. I wonder if you could hear it on. If y'all heard that. Creepy. But, I mean, the ghost is a. You know what? I think I need to. No, heck with it. You can see my ceiling? Yeah, I had to take all the tiles out because I want to put insulation up there. But I can't do it myself because, insulation, it's all itchy. I'm joking. All right, let's get to the review, shall we? The Orca Solo, right? Now, is it named after Orca, the killer whale? Is that right? Orca the killer whale? You guys remember that? Who knows? I don't know. I don't remember. Let me take you down. Take a look at this thing, okay? Here we go. Now, I just did that because, to be honest, I didn't feel like moving the camera. Even though this is going to be opposite. Oh, and I have to focus it because this webcam automatic focus sucks. So if you want some information about it, oh, there it is. Let's open her up. Now, I have opened this and I have been vaping on it. But I just put it back in there so you can, get the full effect. Comes with 2 coils. Crappy coils. This is Vaporesso, by the way. Comes with USB, which I like this little bugger because it's metal. I mean, that's a classy, pretty decent little USB port there. It comes with a warranty card. Just that and that and that. And you'll find out why I could really give a crap about what came in the box. There it is, my friends. Let's take it apart. Let me take it apart so you can see, so you can get the full effect. Right there's the USB cable. You know what? I don't even know how many milliamp hours the battery is. Does it even stinking say? You know what? I feel like that's important. 800 milliamp hour battery. And it charges pretty quick too, by the way. Alright, so you start off by taking the top off. And that's a little weird to me. It's held on, the glass is, just by that O-ring, that thick O-ring right there. There's where the USB port is too, by the way. See that? Now, the juice I'm using today. Now, I did use my English cheesecake at first in this, okay? And let me tell you the flavor I got out of this. All right, this stuff here is packed with flavor because I use it in my mouth to lung devices. This is a mouth to lung created specifically for mouth to lung vape. All right, it's got like 13 milligrams. All right, so anywho, where stinking was I? Oh yeah, I'm using a commercial liquid in this, believe it or not. This comes from the sauce. They actually have some decent e-liquid, like I don't taste it and say, oh my God, that's horrendous. Like almost like 90% of the commercial juice out there. Now, the reason I'm using this, because I can't taste my good liquid in this thing. Like literally, I cannot taste it at all. This is menthol. Alright? I added extra liquid into it. It looks like I put 7 milligrams extra, and it was already a 3. So that'd be 10, right? Now, let's bring it back up. Because I feel like you guys don't really give a rip. Look, this thing is a piece of crap. Don't buy it. The only thing I'm getting out of it is the menthol. I'm not getting any other flavor. I just got a throat hit, which was nice. And if I was a menthol guy, I'd probably still be a little upset and angry about it. Now, I want to like Vaporesso. I had one of the Revenger. And man, when it showed up, I was in love with it. It lasted a month. Now, I understand that happens, okay? That's part of the industry. I've come to grips with it, all right? I also understand that mods don't last forever. That's just part of the industry also. Even American-made mods, even the Filipino-made mods. No, we're talking regulated devices here, okay? Now, mech mods, that should last you a pretty long time if you keep it clean and whatnot. This little thing's a piece of junk, and I don't recommend buying it. It's made for beginners, and you beginners out there are better devices out there. Just seriously, don't even consider this one. The coils are junk. Has no flavor, and it's not really even a mouth to lung. Even though what the coils are 1.8 ohms. You're gonna see my fault. I ain't got no teeth in. I really hate wearing those things. Maybe I should start wearing them, eh? Anywho, this is Dan the Man signing out. Is it worth it? No. Don't buy it. It's junk. Peace, my brothers and sisters. I gotta send you out, right? Oh, you know what? I was talking about the sauce. They actually have some pretty decent. You know what? If you sign up for them, they're always having 120 mil for $6, or 60 mil for $4.99, or I mean $2.99. They're always having pretty awesome deals. And if you like commercial juice, head on over there. I'll put a link. Peace. I mean, peace.